Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to talk about situation with QuantumScape Corporation stock and what's going on right now. We can see here is a pump. Wow, that's impressive. If I take from this point, there is a pump around 75% in momentum, but right now is 68%. If I take from the lowest point, let's see the difference. If I come here at 7.74, it's 121% growing, and here in current point there is 110%. So please keep in attention that here is a gap, and this gap maybe will be closed. So here is a gap, and if this gap will be closed, price will be crushed around minus 31%, or even like minus 40%. This is possible maybe also. So look on this last history here, the gap, and this gap has been closed, by the way. Let's see the growing percent. If I take from this point to local high, let's see, it's around 91%, and after a while the price has been crushed minus 42%, and in this case it's also possible, but in other hand, I could be also wrong, and maybe price will accumulate here and go up, maybe, because here also the big accumulation, and this big accumulation for all-time high in my opinion, and price can be reached also to the all-time high, like here in the good case of scenario $131, and in the worst case of scenario I could wait like $42 price. Okay, that is my forecast. If we see in the listing, after listing the price has been pumped, after pump there is a crash happens, and this gap has been closed partly. By the way, here you can see this gap, but this gap is still not closed, because you can see there is no pump in this level. So but I think this gap also can be closed, and I'm waiting for $78. So 77, 78, and let's make this point in the blue color like this. So it's up to you, sell now or not. But if I see the fair and grid index in technicals, there is a strong buy, and a lot of people, the crowd, are making mistake buying right now in this current price. They cannot wait to see price here even, or they forgot to buy when the price was been here. But by the way, now in the news maybe they are talking about QuantumScape Corporation because of the pump. Let's shortly see the news. QuantumScape CEO talks EV battery breakthrough and mass production. If you want, you can watch this video.
Solid state lithium battery technology. And joining me now is QuantumScape CEO and President Siva Sivaram. Siva, it is good to see you. I thought for the start, Siva, maybe start high level for the uninitiated. The solid state EV battery, Siva, walk us through what are the potential advantages of that technology.
I'm doing speed 2 times to make it quickly, and you can watch yourself again.
Is it cost? Is it safety? Is it range? Is it all three, Siva?
Josh, thank you for having me here. Appreciate you having us here. You hit it right on the head. Solid state battery that QuantumScape is the technology leader in is a no compromise battery. By that I mean you can get range, you can get power, which means you can charge very fast. You can have reliability in the battery that you can cycle as many times as you want, and safety and cost all at the same time. Today, lithium-ion batteries dominate the marketplace. Most of the lithium-ion batteries come from China. China dominates that marketplace. Naturally, the lithium-ion batteries have limitations on how good they can be. Either you can get range in some cases, or sometimes you can get fast charging. You can't get both at the same time. And they have safety issues. What QuantumScape is demonstrating is that we can get all of them in the next generation of true solid-state batteries. And the enabling technology for this is a ceramic separator. The ceramic separator that keeps the anode and the cathode in the battery apart is unique to us. This ceramic ceramic separator, how we manufacture, is what we announced this week. The Cobra process improves the productivity of the heat treatment step in a ceramic by 25 times. You don't get to see that often in any technology, that one day you announce something that gets better by 25 times. That's the big breakthrough that allows our partners to now scale this technology to be in high volume manufacturing, that they can then put it in the EVs and other mobility opportunities.
All right, guys. Anyways,
Nike shares are jumping here pre-market. You got some bullish calls out here.
you can also read this information. QuantumScape stock is skyrocketing for a second day after the company announced a major breakthrough in its solid-state lithium battery technology. QuantumScape and CEO President Sivavium joins market domination to explain how the company's new ceramic spectator process could speed up electric vehicle EV battery manufacturing by 25 times. Anyways, you can read this information if you want. By the way, this news, the coral to the high in the pure form. The next one is QuantumScape achieves production milestone with advanced Cobra separator integration. Separator. Anyways, here we can see QuantumScape recently achieved a significant boost in its production capabilities by integrating the advanced Cobra separator process, marking a pivotal development in its operational efficiency. This announced likely supported its share price surge of 43% over the last month compared to the broader market 1.7% raise over the past week and 12% over the year. QuantumScape impressive gain stands out significantly. Anyways, you can read this information if you want, but again, my comment about this news, it's uh, coral in highs. Here is highs, and it's in pure form, of course. Coral in highs. So I think it's the price will be crushed, but also I could be wrong. Alright guys, it's up to you, make your decision. Thanks for watching. If you find my video helpful, then like my video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to support my channel. Here I am waiting for $78 because this gap here it's not closed, by the way, and I am waiting that this gap also can be closed. I don't know when actually, but it is possible, guys, in my opinion. Alright, I have Telegram channel of investing in crypto and stock market. You can join there. The link of my Telegram channel will be in down below or in my bio of YouTube channel. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye. And I forgot to show you the top holders here, top institutional holders of QuantumScape. First place is Vanguard Group, second place is BlackRock, and we can see how much shares: 35 million shares, 15 million shares, and date reported March 31. Almost 7% of shares hold Vanguard Group at value $251 million, and BlackRock holds around here only 3%. It's around $112 million, and we can see it's also State Street Corporation, UBS Group AG. Here is Gecko Capital Management. Okay, and this is about holders, top holders. We can see here Vanguard Index Funds, Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, Small Cap Index Fund, Extended Market Index Fund. So that's it about this, and we can see the top holder of Mutual Fund holds around 12 million shares, and it's equal to 2%, and it's equal to $85 million. Alright guys, now I'm saying see you in the next video. Bye bye.